welcome back to my channel. My name's Peach and I hope your day is just peachy. So today I have something really exciting. One of my best friends in the entire world, his name is Trixxy, at least that's his stage name. He actually picked all of the makeup that I'm gonna be using today. So I'm gonna try to create a makeup look picked by a drag queen. I also asked Trixxy why he picked out these certain products for me, and this is what he had to say. I picked a mix, some that I knew would work really well, and some that I've never used or even seen before, and I wanted to see what they were like. Also, you have awesome makeup skills, so wanted to see what you could create with the color schemes I went for. Trixxy is too nice to me sometimes. First, I'm gonna need some coffee. This mug my best friend made for me, her name is Chelsea, and she works with pottery, and she made this for me, and I painted my cat Logan on it because Logan hangs out with me every morning with my coffee. Oh, fun fact about Chelsea, we actually hung out at a beer festival this last weekend, and there's gonna be a mini vlog at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that. So let's see what primer Trixxy picked for me. So the primer that Trixxy picked for me is the W7 Prime Magic Camera Ready. This is by Warpaint Cosmetics. So next on the list would be eyebrows. Trixxy went ahead and picked the Covershoot eyebrow kit. Next, we're moving on to concealer. And the concealer that we have is the NYX HD Studio. So for eyeshadows, it looks like Trixxy picked out two different palettes for me. So the first one that Trixxy picked is the Urban Decay Electric palette, and the other palette is a Limelife palette, and it's one that I created myself. Obviously, it's had some use. First, I'm going in with this base shade from the Limelife palette. And since we're using the electric palette today also, I'm going to use a transition shade of probably this turquoise color right here. So going into the Urban Decay palette, we're gonna go ahead and start using these two different blue colors to kind of break up that transition color. I kind of feel like Mimi from Drew Carey. But that's okay. You just gotta trust the process. Now, the foundation Trixie picked for me is the number 7 Beautifully Matte. For contour, we're going in with the Wet n Wild makeup stick. One last thing before I go, I just want to thank every new subscriber I have to my channel. Also, shout out to my sister-in-law for this really awesome Love Win shirt. We're gonna have Pride here in Texas at the end of this month, and I'm so excited to wear it. If you want to get a cool custom-made t-shirt by her, the link is down below in the description. Y'all have a wonderful week. I'll see you later. On to the vlog. So we're going to a beer festival. Let's see what happens. So this is awesome.
Really awesome. Except it is a little hot.
Yeah, very hot.
Not too crazy, but hot.
My makeup hasn't come off yet.
No. It doesn't even look